You say hi?
Hi.
Are we gonna make a cake today, Kelsey?
Yeah.
Yeah, what kind of cake are we making?
Pink.
A pink cake?
Yeah.
Is that your favorite color?
Yeah.
Yay.
My favorite.
Are you excited? Are you excited to make a cake, honey?
I want white.
You want white sprinkles?
Yeah. No.
Well, Kelsey's been asking for a pink cake, and we tried to buy a strawberry cake the other day, and she did not like it.
No.
So we're gonna make our own pink cake today, aren't we?
Yeah.
We're gonna use,
That?
yeah, that cake mix, Betty Crocker Super Moist Cake Mix, vanilla,
Yeah. Come in now.
vanilla.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna use some wonderful colored dye to make a pink cake and pink frosting. Ooh, and we've got yummy frosting right here.
Yeah.
Vanilla frosting. You wanna hold it? Ooh, don't eat it. She got so excited she cracked one of the eggs in the oil earlier, didn't you?
Yeah.
Silly goose. All right, let's start.
Okay. Let's start.
Okay, let's see what it says. Here's our cake.
Let's start.
We've got to mix this in the water and the oil
Yeah.
in the bowl.
In the bowl.
Yeah.
That's right, Mama.
Yeah, so we're going to open it up. I'm going to let you pour it in, okay? Ooh.
Hello.
Here's our cake. Want to dump it in?
Yeah.
Here, let everybody see on the camera. Look at her dumping this in here. She's doing so good. Yay. Oh, you're a little baker. You're a little baker, huh, honey? Whoa, good job. Let's get this up on the bottom and make sure to get it all. Yay. Okay, good job, sweetie.
Okay. Yay.
Yay. Now it's your favorite part. Do you remember what your favorite part is?
Yeah.
What? What's your favorite part?
I want sugar.
Oh, that's for the end, the sprinkles. We gotta do the eggs or the oil. Which one do you want to do first? Oh, you want to eat sprinkles? You gonna eat those? You want me to crack the eggs then?
Yeah.
You don't want to crack the eggs?
No.
Okay.
You make me.
Wait, what?
You make my hands dirty.
Makes your hands dirty?
Yeah.
Aw. Oh, you're putting this. Oh, we can't do that, honey. We can't put the sprinkles in the cake mix. It might not come out good. We'll see what happens when those get heated up in the oven. She put sprinkles in it.
Yeah.
It's Kelsey's cake, so we do what Kelsey wants, don't we? Okay, now Mommy's got to do the oil. We need a cup of oil or a half a cup of oil, Kelsey? Do you remember?
Yeah.
What? Which one is it?
That's that.
That's oil.
Oh.
Oil.
Oh.
We're gonna use a half a cup.
Half a cup.
All right, let me see if I can get it in here. Ooh, we don't want to spill. Oh, I did it. I did it.
Yay, Mom.
Yay. Now we get to mix it. You want to start?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me open up. I'm going to give you a spoon instead of the electric mixer, because that's safer for you. Here's a little spoon.
Oh, yeah. Oh, one spoon.
Ooh, look at all that stuff. Here, 1 second. Let me get you a big spoon. So we can't stir it with this little spoon. Well, actually, we could do a little bit. Look at that. Whoa. Does it look neat? We still got to put a cup of water in it. Okay, let me get the water, sweetie. And we'll get a big spoon.
Yeah.
1 second. Don't eat it.
Hey.
use this?
Yeah.
Okay, try to use that.
Okay.
We usually use that for the frosting, don't we? Let's see how it works for mixing.
No, it's not working.
It's not working good? Oh no, what should we use, everybody? Oh no. Do you think, let's see. What else do we have in here that we can use? Should we use this?
Yeah.
Or should we use this?
This.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, Mommy's gonna have to do it. Let me put our cup of water in.
Yeah.
Do, 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 do. What a dream. Here we go. Da, 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 da. Oh, don't put it on the counter. No, Kelsey.
Okay, that's
We want to save it.
okay.
We don't want to lose some of our ingredients, so whenever you guys cook, we got to keep everything in the bowl. This is the way we wash our hands. Whoa, look at that. Nobody can see what we're doing. Ah, we lost our spoon. We lost our baby spoon. Mix, mix, mix. Oh, look at you. You're like a professional mixing machine.
Stop.
Okay.
Do it.
Oh, goodness. Be careful. Let's see. Let Mommy help. Do, 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 do. Yes, help me, sweetie. Stir, stir, stir.
Okay,
Stir, stir, stir.
Okay, that's enough.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just make sure all our eggs are mixed in. I see some little pieces of clear egg and yellow egg floating around in there. Hold on. Ooh,
Okay,
look it.
okay.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
It looks pretty.
Yeah.
All right, we gotta see what's next.
What's next?
Well, it says that we need to put it in the oven.
Yeah.
Well, first we gotta put it in a pan.
A pan.
Yeah, we gotta grease the bottom. Hold on a second.
Okay.
We didn't start the oven yet, so we gotta preheat it for at 350 degrees.
Yeah. I got that.
Yeah. Wave hi, everybody.
Hi.
Are they gonna eat cake with you?
Yeah.
Yay! Cake.
Cake.
Okay.
Okay.
We need to get our pan out, Kelsey, so we gotta move your chair.
Okay.
Hop down. Hop down. Boom. You wanna show everybody your heels while I get the pan? Show everybody your heels. No? Hold on.
Oh,
Are you gonna go for a ride then?
Let's go.
Sit down, and I'm gonna put your chair in reverse. Sit down. There you go. Boom. Okay. Mommy's gonna get a pan. We're gonna use a big glass pan.
No.
You don't want to use that one? What about this one?
That.
That one's good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And show me.
I think Mommy's gonna have to get her old bakeware out of the garage. We haven't used it in so long. Oh my goodness. Hold on, Mommy's gotta grease the pan. Wait 1 second.
Okay.
We actually have a spray now.
A spray.
Yeah. I'm not gonna recommend the spray because I haven't used it before in the
Spray?
oven, so we will see. Hopefully it comes out well. We used our pan spray. And now we're gonna pour our cake into a pan. There we go. Let's let everybody watch. Watch us pour. Look at all that.
Yeah.
It looks yummy, doesn't it? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
What does it smell like to you, sweetie? Does it smell like bananas?
Yeah.
It does. Does it smell like popcorn? No. It does kind of smell fruity. It's supposed to be vanilla though.
Vanilla.
Vanilla cake.
Vanilla.
Ooh, yummy.
Yummy.
Ooh, yummy. Let's see. You're not supposed to eat the raw cake dough. It's got eggs in it. It can get you sick. Does everybody like her cake? It's Kelsey's cake. Do we want to make it pink?
Yeah.
We forgot to do that. That's the most important part, isn't it?
Yeah.
1 second.
Then the sprinkles.
You're putting sprinkles on it before it cooks again? You're so silly.
Okay.
We need to add some red to it if we want to make pink, don't we? Let's see what happens. It's got pink swirls in it, Kelsey. That looks cool.
Yeah. Pink.
Yeah. It's a pink cake. We're gonna have a pink cake, a pink vanilla cake.
Extra pink.
Mm-hmm. Yay!
Yay.
Pretty.
Great.
I love your cake, Kelsey. Look at that. The swirls. Doesn't it look cool? Want to leave that swirl in there, or you want?
Ow.
Oh, don't put those dirty fingers back over here. I don't want your icky fingers and germies in the food. I'm teasing. Here, I'll help you. 1 second, sweetie. Let's put this in the oven, and then we'll wipe your fingers.
Mom,
Yeah.
I want the sprinkles.
You want sprinkles?
Yeah.
I didn't know you wanted sprinkles. Alright, Kelsey, how long do we leave it in the oven for? Do you know? How long do you want to leave it in the oven for? We gotta do your fingers. Oh my goodness, what is all that? We gotta leave it in the oven for about 30 minutes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, while that's cooking, you want to get our frosting ready?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
We're gonna take this frosting and we're gonna make it turn pink.
Yeah.
1 second.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Now this you can mix with a small spoon.
Yeah.
Let's get a small spoon.
Yeah.
Over here. Grab one right there.
No. No. A big spoon.
Yeah, we can use that one.
Yeah. A big spoon.
Okay, that's good. Now let's close that. Now squeeze this a tiny bit, not a lot. Make sure, whoopsie. Okay, that's good.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. See, we got the red food coloring mixed into the frosting. You want to stir it?
Yeah.
There, everywhere. Whoa, don't, let's touch the top of the spoon. That way it goes deeper in there, okay? Here, grab the spoon, Kelsey. Whoa, look at that.
Well, it's for pink.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Let's wash that off of you.
Yeah.
Hold on. Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands on a napkin.
I done.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right. You want to keep stirring this for me?
No.
You want mommy to stir it?
Yeah.
You don't want your fingers dirty again?
No.
You're such a princess. You little silly beautiful girl. Are you mama's princess?
Okay.
Hmm?
Now we need that.
What is it?
It's got that.
We're not gonna make green.
No.
You wanna have a pink cake? Huh?
No way.
No way, Jose.
Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Thursday.
Thursday. Yeah, good job. You know your days of the week, honey.
Okay. 21.
21?
Yeah.
What's 21?
21 is at my school.
At your school?
Yeah.
Oh, did you learn 21 today?
Yeah. 21 is at my school.
Yeah, well that's good. You were counting up to 24.
Oh, yeah.
You want to count
4.
in Spanish?
Yeah.
Count in Spanish.
Una, dos, tres,
Yeah.
14,
You forgot a couple numbers. What comes after tres?
trece,
Tres, cuatro.
14,
Catorce is 14, remember?
yeah.
What comes after 3? 4.
3, 4, 5, 6.
What's 4 in Spanish?
Oh no.
No, uno is 1, silly. What's
One.
4?
4 is that.
Cuatro?
I want that.
The mixer?
Yeah.
Well, we already did the cake, honey. We used the big spoon.
That.
We didn't use... We could do it next time. Let's wash your hands. You got food coloring on it.